Hey everybody, good to see you. I have a little bit of fun stuff to share with you today. I just wanted to let you know I'm preparing for the Art Healing Hearts auctions that starts tomorrow, Friday, May 5th, and it goes through Monday the 8th. My show day, that's Harley that walked by, my wonderful Sheltie. Anyway, my show day, hey Harley, is Sunday, May 7th, and it starts at noon Eastern Standard Time and goes for 24 hours until Monday. And that is on the Facebook Art Healing Hearts Auctions group. And you will have seen a preview video that I already put on my YouTube channel that shows all 60 pieces by 6 artists that were curated for a Mother's Day show, and they are phenomenal, beautiful pieces. You've got to go check it out. I wanted to show you the pieces that I created for the show and share some fun little news with you as well. So this whole show for me, I created resin pieces. And so the first piece I'm going to show you is this one. And it is just a stunning beauty. Lots of depth to it. It's got a little white on the outside, but it's more deep colors, deep pinks on the inside. I have two that are very similar. This one has a little bit more white tones, just a little bit different look inside. They look very similar on the outer edges. Lots of colorful shells in the middle and on the edges. So these are two large resin bowls, probably about 9 inches or so across and about 4 inches or so deep. So 2 of these bowls, and with every piece that is won in the auction, I'm also going to include a bonus piece that comes with it. This one is called Marmalade. I remember the name of this one for sure. It's got orange tones. Beautiful turquoise in the middle and a little bit of green that goes to yellow to orange and white with colored shells that kind of go with it. A little brown tone because there's some brown shells too. So again, this is about the same size. That's the resin bowl. I think this one is called Rosie. And it has kind of a little bit of a poppy feel in the middle with the little black beads and golden browns, and then it goes into the red magenta colors and some of the greenish effects that almost look like leaves, gold edges and gold crystal knobs. This is a 13-inch resin tray. Okay. This one I think is called Royal something or another. All the pictures will be in the album in the Facebook auction on Sunday. This one almost looks like it's woven, like a woven sweater or almost crocheted. I just got a really cool effect with the resin. You just never know what you're going to get. It's kind of like fluid art. This one has the peacock inspired crushed shells in the center, and I put a few little gold glass bits. And so it's mostly purples, blues, and greens, gold edges, and so that is the Royal resin tray, 13 inches. This one is a stunner. This is called Rainbow 3D Burst, and look at the depth of that. It's only no more than ½ an inch thick, but look at how deep that depth of the effect is. I'm just amazed every time with this resin. I just love playing with it. The gold crystal knobs. So this and another one that same effect, just different colors. This one is Nature's Waters, and it's got browns and kind of an ocean green, blue to white with the shells that kind of match it. These two are a new class that I have created on Thinkific on my platform. The link will be below the video. But these both will be available in the Mother's Day show. And here's I would say Lily Pulitzer inspired floral on aqua. And the aqua has, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it does have some shimmer, slight shimmer to it, if you can see the shimmer there. And these 3D flowers that just kind of pop from it. And the little crystal gold knobs. So this one is floral on aqua. This one will be available. And then I have two more beauties. They're both 13-inch resin trays as well. I just love them. Floral on black. And the black has gold, a little bit of a gold shimmer to it. See if you can see it in the lighting there. I got reflection going on. With resin, it's so hard to photograph and so forth with good light because of the reflections. But the beautiful depth of the flowers and the leaves, and some gold sparkles and gold edges. And another one that looks very similar is one on a bronzy gold background with the gold sparkles. Very, very pretty. Super pretty. And these two are one class on my Thinkific platform. And with the classes, I show you every step of the process. I don't fast forward through anything that's important. So it's kind of in real time as I create it, and I provide a full supplies list with all the links to all the products, and any class that you purchase has lifetime access, so you can go back and refer to it as many times as you want to. And so those are some new classes. So I've got that class that's already in the program, and then I'm adding the rainbow and the nature water burst effect. These two, that'll be two in one class, just like the florals are a 2-in-1 class. And they're super cheap. So I've got that. And then I have one other thing I want to share with you. I am now officially published in a book. The Wendy Manzo, who is in Australia, is a renowned prophetic artist, speaker, author, and she did a collaboration with at least 30, if not more, artists, poets, writers from internationally. And I'm one of them, and I'm so proud. And so I have 2 submissions in this book. One is my little poppies wooden slab that I painted here kind of recently. And then it has the story that I wrote with it on the back of that page. And then kind of towards the front is the other, let me see if I can find it. This alcohol ink piece that everybody loves so much. I also wrote a story along with that about how I feel about poppies and what they mean to me. And it's called The Voice in the Paint, The Blood Speaks, Symbolism of the Poppy in Prophetic Paintings. And this is for people that are religious, it's for people that know veterans and people that have served and shed blood for our countries. So it kind of crosses between prophetic art and words and poems and things spoken over our love and appreciation for veterans, and if you're a believer, for Christ sacrificing himself for us. So this is on Amazon, and I will provide a link below the video if you would like to get a copy. You can get a Kindle version. This is the paperback, and there is a hardback cover. It would make a great sofa table book. It would make a great gift. So check it out. So I think that's all my announcements for now. So please come join me if you can Sunday, starting at noon Eastern Standard Time. And it goes for 24 hours. So if you're involved with church or lunch or something with your family during the afternoon, you don't have to jump right in, even though some pieces might be snagged, but you can join in later and bid on a piece if you would like to. So thank you so much. I love you all, and I hope you have a great week and a happy Mother's Day. Love you all. Bye-bye.